Hey guys, it's Tyrantt. Welcome to Tyrantt's Pro Whooper. This is Lesson 6 Power Loops. Hey buddy, can you say hi? Aw, cute. Alright, let's go. We're going to kick things off with the power loop. Into a power flip. And then a side loop. And finish with an Immelman. Nice. And another power loop. And reverse power flip. Gonna do a split S here. Right into the chair. And we're gonna do some orbits and then switch it up. Gonna do a power loop gap here. Into a little vanny roll, and that gap is so difficult to hit with the latency. Gonna hit that power loop gap again. And then we're gonna do a Matty Stall rewind into a trippy spin. That's really hard to pull off with the latency. And I'm gonna look up here so you guys can see my drone up above. Trying to do some orbits while oddly positioning my head. And I'm going to attempt that gap again and horribly fail. And again. Power loop gap and right into the light bulb. Nice. Huh, didn't realize he put that there. Cool. So yeah, you can fly FPV on a Meta Quest 3. The latency sucks a little bit, but it is doable.